Hi everyone, welcome back. In this lecture, I'm going to be talking to you in detail about methods and constructors. In order to do this, we are going to make a calculator application in Java using methods and constructors to do our calculation and display the end result to the user. So to get started, I've actually created a new project called Calculator App. So I've already done it. It's exactly like we've done in other lectures. So you go to New Project, create New Project, leave Groovy and Kotlin unticked, and fill out the project details and let the IDE build the project. So now it's been created, we've got our public static void main for us. We need that so the end result can be outputted to the user. But in order for us to create a calculator app, we need to create some methods. So to begin with, we're going to create a subtraction method. So to do this, so you've got in a separate, obviously away from our main method, you go here, public, static, int, and then in this, we're going to call it subtracting the numbers. Okay, now we've also done, as you can see here, we've done an open and close bracket. So in that bracket, we're going to have to put in int a, so we're passing in two numbers that we want to subtract, and then we want that separated by a comma, and int b. Okay, and then the parentheses there. So sort of on a Windows computer, that is above the rectangle bracket. So the lowercase one, it's just shift and then there. So what we do now is we want to return the values to a minus b. And then semicolon at the end of that return statement. So now we want the end result to be outputted to the user. So we need to actually do a print statement which references this method and passes in numbers through this constructor, and then we can print out the end result to the user. So to get started, we do system.out.println, and then we've got to actually reference subtracting the numbers here. So we do that, subtracting the numbers, and then we've got to pass in two values that we want to have be subtracted. So to begin with, we could do 50 and then 20. And another parentheses there. We've already done that for, no parentheses, semicolon. So 50, 20, so pass in 50, so A, as you can see the IDE has done it for us because it's recognised that we've created a new method here that passes in these two values through the constructor. So A and then B there. So 50 minus 20 is 30, so that should be outputted to us if the application has been written correctly. So now to test it, we need to run it. So click Run Main. And then in the console here, hopefully, if it's correct, it should come out with 30. So just give it a few seconds to build. Okay, 30. It's been outprinted here. So our application so far is correct. So if you want to do, for instance, you want to do an addition calculation, so you just do another method adding the numbers. So public static int adding the numbers, and similar to what you did before, int a, int b, and then parentheses here, and then system out.println. So we're going to be printing the addition calculation, so adding numbers. Then in here, we just put in what two numbers we want added together. So 20, 30, should be 50. Obviously here in the method, need to do return A plus B. So hopefully that should produce us 50. So yeah, 30 and 50, and that's our calculation, our basic calculator app done. Hope you enjoyed the lecture and you've gained an understanding of methods and how we can pass in data through the methods to complete a calculation. So this can be used in a wide range of applications, which we will be touching base on in the next few lectures. So I hope you've enjoyed that, and I'll see you in the next video. See ya.